Okay, I see an error right there at the very first step. The 2 would have been, or the x squared would have been a good plan. But I think right here you had an 8 minus 4, and that would have been a 4. But let me go ahead and run through it and just kind of see where I come up. So what do I multiply 2x by to make it 2x cubed? Would be x squared just like you had. And x squared times 2x, there's 2x cubed. And then there's the 4x squared. And then those cancel, and 8 minus 4 would have been a 4x squared. And we break down the 6x, which you did. And so for year 12, that 6 makes sense. That would have been 24. Yeah, so it's on the subtract. So like you set this up right for what you had, but there would be a minus there, and you'd actually be going 6 minus that 24 would have been negative 18. So I think that's the spot where you're having trouble. Over here, it would be x squared. So what do I multiply 2x by to make 4x squared? So it would be 2x. And then 2x times 2x would make the 4x squared again as planned. And 2x times 4 would give me an 8x there. And so I think I would suggest writing down those parentheses and showing yourself that minus sign, just to kind of help with the 6 minus 8, because that's right where you're having some difficulty. So that would make a 2x, it would be negative 6 minus 8, and then bring down the negative 8. And then what do I multiply 2x by to make it negative 2x? So that would be a negative 1. Negative 1 times 2x, so there's our negative 2x. We always just want to match whatever's in front. And negative 1 times 4 makes negative 4. And here, negative 2 minus the negative 2, that would be negative 2 plus 2, so those do cancel. That's where we want to match the sign. And then 8 minus negative 4 is really negative 8 plus 4, so that would be a negative 4 is what would be left there. So then minus 4 over 2x